everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so if that's what you're interested in then I strongly suggest you subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit your photos online with an online photo editor called Pixlr. Now this video was requested by a fan named Bradley McCarthy, I believe his name is. So yeah, if you're watching this, man, you got your wish. So without further hesitation, let's just jump into it. Okay guys, so on the screen is Pixlr.com and you have between two options. One is Pixlr X, quick and easy design, so you can start, I'm assuming what is a graphic design project, well an actual like, you know, I'm pretty sure you can tell. And Pixlr E, which is basically your photo editing side of things. So we're gonna obviously go on the photo editing side of it. And as you can see, this is, yes, I tested this out last night, but that's irrelevant. So let's go to create new, wide, bit random. Shut up! That was unnecessary. Anyway, so, click create, and yeah, it's got ads, unfortunately, but shouldn't really affect you too much. It's not really gonna, yeah, it's not gonna affect you too much. So let's just grab an image from my pictures folder, create new layer. Yeah, so this is where you got your text and everything. So yeah, so you got this. If you want to add a new text layer, I'm just gonna click yeah, and we're just gonna make a, I don't know. So yeah, Jeff Bezos. Let me just try and, oh Jesus H Christ. There we are. Make that white. Perfect. Hold on a second. Actually, let me highlight that and then. Oh, it does. It just. Let's just have a look what we got here. I'm gonna guess those are premium. Oh, Baber's new. The one font that I know started up a new tab for some reason. Oh, give me it. Whatever. So let's just, first of all, it's actually just it's just, bruh. So many fucking things going on here. My head's not right today. I don't know why. I think it's because it's a Monday. So what can we do with this? Filters, let's have a look. So, ooh, they got some good stuff here. Let's have a look. Brightness and contrast, let's have a look and see what they got to offer with this. This has got to offer. Contrast. Ooh, okay, I'm impressed a little bit. Hi, Jeff. Oh, my head's so fucked. Stop fucking doing that. Vibrance. Let's have an auto adjust. Ooh, okay. Pop. I'm just fucking around with everything to see what it's all like. Exposure. Let's have a look at the exposure. Can be all nice. Right, that's in the right. That's it. Oh, for Christ's sake. That's good enough. Let me just increase the size of that. Oh, right, you actually have to increase the size of the actual text and not the actual layer itself. I'm just fucking around with it, just having a look at what, well, see what's, see what I can do on this. Yeah, just trying to make something. If you're still watching this video, then well, your loyalty is very much appreciated. Because all I've done so far is just fuck around and not actually do anything that's essentially beneficial other than show you the actual thing. So yeah. Can we add a stroke to that? Can we add a stroke to? I'm sure we can. I'm sure we can. Text set. No, oh, crap! I forgot this is an actual. what I want to do is actually add a outline. Is it perfect? You know me, black's my favorite, so I'll go for that. Ooh, things looking nice at the moment. Hold on. Background. Shadow. Put the shadow on there. Oh, that looks nice. That looks real nice. And that is essentially it. And that is how to edit photos online with Pixlr. If you found this video valuable, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on. Drop a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general areas for me to improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comment section or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.